A fraudster advertises jobs over the internet and social media with attractive pay for working from home. Earn 1000 rupees per day working from home. Raju is very excited after coming across the advertisement and clicks on the link to register for work from home. Raju receives a call from a stranger.
Sir, thank you for registering with our agency. We have gone through your CV and you are selected for the work from home job. You need to provide your Aadhaar and PAN card details. You will also have to fill up some forms and sign some documents as per our company policy.
Thank you. I will fill all the forms and send you my address proof and PAN card details.
You can start working from tomorrow. You need to upload your work on the www.workfromhome.com portal. Here is your user ID and password. You also have to provide a security deposit of 10,000 rupees.
Raju makes the payment of 10,000 rupees as a security deposit to the fraudster. The job progresses smoothly for a week. Raju kept receiving regular payments. He got 7,000 rupees as remuneration. In the next week, the agency started identifying mistakes. They consolidated the errors and produced a bill of 1 lakh rupees as compensation to the agency, as per the terms and conditions of the contract signed by Raju initially. Raju started receiving multiple harassment and recovery calls from different numbers in a single day. He got calls from lawyers, police threatening legal action, and then, terrified with all this, Raju paid 1 lakh rupees to the fraudster.
So never send sensitive personal or proprietary information like Aadhaar or PAN card via email to unknown people. And never sign any online agreement before consulting a lawyer. And never pay to get a job. Genuine firms never ask for deposits. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.